Hello, folks. Now, Brad has a new initiative for us, which is Initiative Christmas, Claris community. So when I looked at this initiative, there are three outcomes that we want for Claris in our community and Apple. These are the well-being, this is profit, and the growth. So for that, in the PM and PD, we always begin with a chanting. So let me chant the prayer that we do for building new initiatives. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrutyorma Amrutamgamaya, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We wish well-being for all of Claris, our community, and Apple. So with that, I'll pass it on to you to define the journeys for this initiative.
Okay, I'll go next. Let's start writing this journey. Well, it's got to be inclusive of all the personas that we care about. And while it's easy to understand, it must be profound in its implications.
I can go next. And Santa has asked all of us to be compliant with the regulations of Christmas. And so the GovCloud requirements are going to come into play in 2021. Thank you.
UX 157, permanent holiday theme. Must have all buttons be in green and red. And yeah, I'd call it a pretty good UX experience. Jake is gonna love it.
As a user, I want to be immediately notified on which of Santa's nice or naughty list I am on, so that I can decide on whether or not to leave cookies and milk out for him.
All right, I will go next. Man, this is sounding like an amazing experience, and I want to make sure that everyone other than Brandon Hare is happy. So let's make sure that we've got a freemium version of this so we can get it out to everyone.
I want to launch auto renewals. Auto renewals of health and happiness will launch in 2021.
Dear Santa, no requirements. Let's just see more MVLs throughout the year. And also, please bring me a pen so I can actually write these things down. Special shout out to the Honeycrisp team.
Okay, looks like this is pretty good so far. User research results came back and I did another iteration. This one removes all raisins from cookies this holiday season.
I'll go next. So what we'll do is a FileMaker server app that can run on any device so that we can build a really nice cloud in Lapland so I can run it from home.
So I'll go next, me and Snoopy actually. So we're gonna go for some journeys inside journeys for more journeys.
So this is Christmas and holiday, so it's gotta be for everybody. So product must kill for a gazillion users. And using VR, it's supposed to send Christmas greeting using Italian hand gestures. Lovely.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Christmas.